Hello everyone and welcome to 2026. I hope you all had a wonderful Christmas and New Year's and got that much deserved break. Today I'd like to take a moment to reflect on the past quarter in financial markets and share some thoughts on interest rates here in Australia. As always, what I'll cover is general in nature, so if you'd like to talk about your personal situation, please do not hesitate to reach out. Alright, let's start off with the AI sector and market sentiments in the US. One of the biggest themes has been the AI sector. Investments in data centers and chips continue to surge, but there are questions about whether earnings are keeping up with the billions being spent. Even so, with that, strong US economic growth, healthy corporate earnings, and recent interest rate cuts from the Federal Reserves have helped in keep investors' sentiment positive. The September earnings season was particularly strong, with 83% of S&P 500 companies beating expectations. Overall earnings growth for the year was revised up to 13.4%, led by the Mag 7, which grew earnings by 18.4% compared with 11.9% for the rest of the index. Despite ongoing volatility, the S&P 500 still managed to finish the past month up nearly 1%. Companies are proven resilient, showing solid growth and strong earnings even in uncertain times. We've also seen gold and silver surge to all-time highs, driven largely by political instability. Now, closer to home in Australia, the Reserve Bank of Australia is expected to hold rates at 3.6% in February. However, with inflation still persistent, further hikes later in 2026 remain a possibility. Banks have already started to lift interest rates, and while a February hike isn't the base case, it hasn't been ruled out. So while uncertainty continues to be part of the picture, companies are showing resilience. A diversification remains the best way to navigate these conditions. Similar to the US, the Australian market closed 1.8% up on the ASX 200 over the December month. If you have any questions or would like to discuss your portfolio, please do not hesitate to contact me. Your financial well-being is our #1 priority.